To book and pay for one of our workshops, go to our workshop webpage and click on the workshop's booking button either here or on its syllabus and description page. The next page explains the booking procedure, and when you are ready, click on the workshop bookings button to start. This takes you to the workshop's first session recording. Click on its play button and then click on the Buy Now icon. If you have a PayPal account, simply enter your email address and password on the next screen. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can pay with your credit or debit card. After payment is made, you'll be able to continue watching all of the workshop session recordings and will automatically be sent an email from our streaming video provider confirming your enrolment with your password and access to download all of that workshop's extensive resources. We then email your tax invoice and other details, including tutorial instructions.